Right, let's go and try and sort out the leftover screws. I think I'll just go wood screws and machine thread, and threaded at one side, machine threaded at the other side. The new ones are obviously wood. There's a taper on them, but then you've got a taper, so that's definitely like a wood. That's definitely a wood screw. So it's brass and everything. Whereas even for that brass, that's a machine screw, almost, you would say. I don't know, if it's not let me know. I think it is. That's a snap screw, so I can go in the bin. Right, let's try again. Right. I wouldn't even say they're fan screws of that much size. I'm using a SIM card from the Brebra. Machine screw. Screw. I'll probably have to go for it again. See if I truly need all these. No idea what these red screws came out of, but I must have liked them enough to keep them back in the day. Machine screw not. Oops, wrong one. That's definitely a case screw. I think I'll keep that flash headed one. At this point I'm running out of reasoning, I think. There's just going to be keep in bin section now instead. In as in go to the garage. Can't be building perfectly good screws. Well, that would be not in the whole box. It's turned out quite nicely filled. With all that, I think I'll be keeping all of them as well. What are these black screws? I know for my car I like to keep all the black ones together because they're handy for trim stuff, internal stuff, parts of the car. So let's have a look. I don't need that little plunger in the bin. Let's See, that's all modern stuff. So what I'll do is I think I'll put all this ones I want, the bigger ones, because these big head ones and that, they're all part of like monitor stands and stuff like that. So I think I'll put the black ones in before this monitor stand stuff. We'll keep these. Oh, a little silver one. One's a bit rusty, so we'll bin that. Although I know these aren't. So I'm going to try to escape. So this looks too nice to just chuck these ones in willy-nilly, so I'll have to think of something else. So, anywho, cheers now.